Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rectangle. Now we need a circle. Take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Select those and go to object, expand. Now go to Pathfinder and click divide it. Ungroup it, select unnecessary part and press delete. Select this object, go to Pathfinder and merge. Now select these portions, go to object and expand. Select those and align. Now select this portion, go to rotate tool, hold Alt and click here. Copy, hold shift and adjust perfectly.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.